The Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV boasts not only a large boot space, but the ability to fold the back seats flat in order to fit in larger items such as bikes. To create a larger boot space, first push down any extended headrests. Then place one hand at the rear of the seat base, while pulling firmly upward underneath the front of the seat to release the seat cushion. Fold it down neatly into the rear footwell, and fold the seatbelt buckles into the grooves. Finally, pull the seat back release lever and fold down the body of the seat. The rear centre seatbelt harness can be unbuckled as shown to ease the folding of the seat. Repeat these steps if needed with the other rear seat to create a large and open storage area. In the rear, there are two pairs of ISOFIX mounting points, enabling the fitting of up to two compatible ISOFIX child seats. They are located in the gap between the rear seat back and cushion and are clearly marked. In this example, we're using a Mitsubishi approved baby seat, which faces the rear of the vehicle. This seat comes with a separate ISOFIX cradle that needs to be fitted first. Simply slide the ISOFIX mountings on the cradle into the back of the car seat so they click firmly into place. A visual device, in this case a green indicator near the release button of the ISOFIX mount, confirms it is securely locked in place. Its absence would indicate that the mechanism is not locked, and you should try again until you're satisfied it is properly secured. As well as the ISOFIX mounting points on the rear seat, some child seats will have a support leg to help further secure the seat. If applicable, this leg needs to be fully extended so that it touches the floor in a stable position. Once the ISOFIX cradle is fitted, the child seat can be mounted securely into place. Always ensure that your child's car seat is correctly fitted and that it fits in your car before you buy. The PHEV also has specific mounting points in the back of the seats for front-facing child seats that have a top tether. In this case, pull the child seat's tether strap over the back of the rear seat and firmly clip into the top tether strap hook on the back of the rear seat. Finally, the PHEV is fitted with a front electric driver's seat which can be moved in various directions by adjusting the sliders on the outside of the seat base.
Drive your ambition, Mitsubishi Motors.